We went to the junkyard and we got some new knuckles for the 350Z project. So, is this the old one?
No, the old one was right there.
Oh yeah, she's blown out.
When we were beating some of the, what were we knocking? We were knocking off the axle, weren't we?
Yeah, and then
this
just fell out.
It fell out. And y'all really just sit there and watch me struggle.
Yeah.
Y'all really gonna watch me struggle trying to get this park brake right together.
Chrome sockets for the win.
It just kept going. What?
Found that in a junk car because it was hot.
And I'm bald.
Car because he's bald.
Huh,
Don't worry. Get a flathead. Got the parking brake all adjusted. Putting the caliper on. We gotta put what, the coilover on.
Yeah.
Got everything back together except for the shock. But what you gonna use for a cotter pin?
Piece of TIG wire. So I'm gonna put it through there and fold it over. So I need like twice as much. So it's just.
There's a master with the pliers.
I'll try.
That's a cotter pin if I've ever seen one.
Close enough, right?
Close enough.
Cotter? Is it Cotter?
Cotter? C-O-T-T-E-R. I wish I could read.
If I could read, I wouldn't be doing this. Yeah, I would. Yeah, I would. Let's be honest here. I think I look like an IUD.
Side all finished up, so we're gonna do this side, and then it's pretty much the same. This one is not blown out. It's got a crack in it, but it ain't too bad.
Not till your mom sits in it.
That bearing's gone.
Dude, that is not good. It made anti-seize. That is crazy. There's no seal on there at all.
Let me get this nail out of here real quick.
We'll update you guys.
Big nut shit.
On my foot. Horses again.
They're not gonna do that.
It's not supposed to do that at all. Hurry up, man.
Making sparks fly.
Almost.
It's almost gone.
Got a bug on me. The Amazon special.
I don't even think Bezos would do you this dirty. This is straight from eBay right here.
Uh-huh.
I'll take that.
Much better.
Push up and down on the car. Well, more enjoyments of working on other people's crappy cars. Found some issues. I was kind of aware of these, but honestly forgot. So the first one is, that's not happy. And second, tie rod was also not happy. Honestly shocked how well that one held up, which I'm glad. I don't want to have to replace that anyway, so it doesn't look fun. But our biggest issue is that should be able to, yeah, so I get to order more parts, which it's a Nissan, so that's kind of how it goes. But for now, I'm gonna throw the coilovers back on it, the new ones, just so I can actually drive this thing or get it off the trailer. And I think for the time being, I'm just gonna order some poly bushings for these. That ball joint, haven't decided yet, but definitely just gonna get poly bushings for here and send it, because this thing's gonna get an angle kit in the future, but baby steps. So I'll get back with you guys once I get the coilovers in, and got the rear passenger side in. Had to cut this out. Whole car's been hit right here, and it's crumpled all through here. So this was like bent in at a hard angle. Really couldn't get a hammer in there without taking a lot of stuff off. I don't want to take more stuff off, so I just beat the shit out of it. Got as much out as I could, cut a chunk out of it, bent it out some more. This is not sitting completely flush, but it's also crooked, so it's sitting flush over here. And the fault is once I sit the car down, it'll probably just find a place that it wants to be. And honestly, it's good enough, but that's what we got going on. It's already 10 times better than that crud. As you can see, the difference in the coil alone, thickness wise. Everybody says these tins ride a little bit stiffer, but honestly, for what I'm doing with this car, I would rather have stiffer suspension. I don't really care about it riding good. I just don't want it bouncing around everywhere. And yeah, put a zip tie on there just to keep that from getting all dirty. Never done that before. That's a trick we do on Jeeps a lot to keep mud out of here, which this thing won't see. Actually, this thing might see mud the way I drive. I like to try to dip a tire off in the dirt all the time, and my local track's really muddy and gross. So I'm looking. I wonder if these are. I think that's factory. I don't know. Did it crumple that much? No, because all this would have been tore up. Okay, cool. I'll get back to you guys when I do the front. The other side's going to be pretty much the same, hopefully minus this.
All right, guys, we got it all propped up on some trailer wheels, and then I'm gonna get the generator started and finish up the exhaust that we have going on. So for the welder, or for the got a new carburetor for the generator. Just fired up the welder. I'm gonna tack that thing up in there however he wants it, and I guess I'm gonna man the pedal, right?
You get to man the pedal and hold some shit at the same time.
Oh, that's cool. Just hanging out on the rocks with the homies.
Clean that weld up.
I take a nap. I take a nap here.
We just get drunk and have fun.
Probably an air bubble in it.
I got it! I'm joking!
There you go. Okay.
Oh, there it goes! I got it! I'm juggling this so bad, I tell you. Okay. gotta stop.
My ears ringing.
Hey, he's gonna stop us
That's awesome.
So what I'm thinking is we get a piece of wood to wedge in here.
Yeah.
We can use that as a prop so we don't have to try to balance.
Piece of 2x4 to elevate it a little bit. And hold that there.
Yeah.
Let me see how you like it.
I like it. Do you like that?
I like it.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna get one good tack on it.
Okay.
So hit the pedal about halfway when I tell you to.
Halfway.
Yeah, and I might go ahead and say more.
Okay.
And when I tell you to like let off of it,
Okay.
let off of it kind of slowly.
Okay.
Like let it off, but don't abruptly get off of
Okay.
it. All right. Give me some more. More. Is that it? All right.
Cool, got welded shut. Oh, I think I got it. Oh no, a little bit more. Yeah, I think I got maybe a little hole. Oh, got a little. That did it.
Sweet. That looks good. That ain't going nowhere. Okay. Sweet.
Looks good as fuck.
Does look good. Still got to replace the header gaskets, but we're getting there.
It's not the manifold, it's just the collector.
If it is a manifold, you can weld, so. Yeah. Part of it is pulling it off of there.
Just don't want it to pull the manifolds off.
Yeah. E85 light, baby. It's still pretty loud.
What'd you say?
So it's still pretty loud, but it's not too bad.
Better than it was.
Absolutely.